Good day guys, welcome. In this video we're showing you how to get a Google review link for your business. So firstly, navigate to businessgoogle.com and then press on start now, and of course make sure to create your own business. As you can see, I've already created one, yeah, pretty much you can just go ahead and see it on Google. So for example, you can get listed easily. So in Google you just type in the Google business. You'll get the link on the top with your Google business in here. So I'm just not showing it because there's an address there and stuff like that. I don't want to show it on the video. But and also there, if you have already created your business, you will get your business name there. So as you can see, I have this test business, and you will have like address on Google Maps and stuff like that. And as you can see under reviews, we have this little button, get reviews. Press on it, and there you go, bingo. So this is our magical link that you can copy just as so. And as you can see, you can give customers a link to review your business to Google. So you just paste it on your website or something, create some fancy link. You can of course hide it more beautifully so that, you know, a user presses on some kind of button and then they are redirected to basically review your business. And when they insert this link or follow it, they open up a Google Maps with this link, and they will be instantly given a choice to basically stars, so out of 5, and of course write a review. So guys, that's pretty much how this is done. Enjoy. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.